Now we get to comments. Comments are stored in a separate table. Each comment can be up to whatever the table limit is, in most cases 32,000 or 64,000 characters. The comments have what are called line numbers, and it's really the comment number. Comment numbers between 1 and 999 are general comments, and you basically only go to a new comment after you've filled up the first one with 30,000 or 60,000 characters. Comment numbers above 1,000 are reserved for certain things, and you can see that by hitting the plus key, and the plus key lets you create a comment, and it shows you a list of all the different types of comments that are available for your particular company. You can have a quote comment, a pick list comment. The pick list comment prints on every pick list for this customer. The invoice comment prints on every invoice for the customer. The pick list and invoice comment prints on every pick list and invoice. And the reason you have a difference is the invoice comment might say, "We appreciate your business and look forward to working with your company on a certain project." The pick list comment might say, "Don't screw up on picking. This customer is really sensitive about stuff. Make sure that there's a nice ribbon on every box." And you don't want that comment to show on the customer invoice. That's an internal comment. Bill of lading comment gets printed on a bill of lading. It's information for the trucker. The hold comment is a comment that is available to the people who process holds and may tell them what to do when orders for this customer go on hold. Call Fred if it's a price hold. Call Mary if it's a credit hold. Packing list comment is a comment that just goes on the packing list. Special shipping instructions for the customer. The order entry comment pops up during order entry, and that may be something like, "Only accept verbal orders from Bob. Anybody else at the company needs to send POs." The credit and collection comments are comments that are maintained by your in-house staff. So here we've set up a credit comment, and we have a timestamp button. So every time we add text to this comment, we can timestamp it if we'd like. Now on production systems, you would actually have the comment name here. Comments are widely used in the system and a very important part of Stream. We go over here to opportunities. The opportunity system as such will be addressed separately, but you can create opportunities which are, like the word says, opportunities for future business or future sales, and they can be viewed and managed from the customer detail panel. Opportunities are a whole separate training session. Then we can go to incidents and actions. An incident is commonly used when the customer calls you about something. They may call you and say, "Hey, I got the shipment from you. However, one of the things in the shipment was broken. You need to send me another one or a credit." So you can create an incident here, and then you can create actions, and the action might be instructing the salesman to call the customer and find out what the customer would like to do. Incidents are used for any sort of customer interaction where you have an event that you want to record actions or issue an RA against an incident, a whole series of things you can do. And again, that's a separate training class. Actions are used throughout the system to track or control different things. An action is a workflow control item. You can have 3 different states for an action. An action can be closed. That means that it's recording that you did something, who did it, how long it took, and notes about it. An action can be open, and that means something needs to be done and who should do it and when they should do it. And an action can have an in-process status, which means the task is being worked on. Typically, you'll use actions when you're talking to a customer and a customer says, you know, I'm really interested in this product. Can you have somebody who's expert at it give me a call? So you can create an action, assign the action to somebody, give it a date, and then that action will show up when they log into the system under their My Actions. These are all the actions that are assigned to me. So that allows you to assign tasks to people, send literature, call customer, follow up on an invoice or an opportunity. Very powerful, used for all sorts of things. And just like images and comments, actions can be attached to just about any type of document.